Ready for the ultimate time management transformation? Buckle up because you're about to unveil the ultimate secrets to becoming the time master you've always dreamed of. Welcome to the 21-day time management crash course. That'll have you wondering why you didn't hop on sooner. Get ready to rocket through the next 3 weeks as we dive headfirst into a transformative journey, equipping you with skills to revolutionize time control. Designed for professionals, students, and busy go-getters, this course is your ticket to productivity, order, balance, and making every heartbeat count. As every day you invest, here is a step toward your envisioned future. Over the next 21 days, you'll dive into a transformative journey, equipping you with skills to revolutionize time control. You will master the art of time planning to orchestrate daily tasks and projects, be able to set clear priorities, distinguish important tasks from unimportant ones, and focus on priorities. Crush procrastination with techniques that'll let you maintain workflow. Identify time wasters using a toolkit of strategies. Possess goal-setting skills for achieving long-term success. Use tools and technology to boost productivity and enhance collaboration. Embrace the arts of self-organization and time optimization, learning methods that lead to a work-life balance. Unleash your potential, shatter limits, and seize back your time. It's time to rewrite the script of your life. Let's make these 21 days count and set the stage for a lifetime of success. The countdown is on. Time's running out. Don't miss your chance to transform your life and elevate both your professional and personal success with our 21-day time management crash course. Enroll now and embrace the journey of a lifetime.